Okay. There you go.
Other. It's like that.
That's amazing. Amazing.
Put my helmet on. Get my breath out.
Oh, you want to get your bread out? Put your helmet on. There you go.
I think not with my slipper I skate in.
Not slippers like my skis, you need your skates on. Okay, go for it.
That's my ice skate.
Okay. Here, step into this one. Okay, there you go. Great. Good skating. Fancy skating, Nora.
Or maybe you need a stick to help hold yourself up.
There you go.
And
Oh, there you go.
Do you want to shoot it? Oh, good shot.
I need a and a stick.
Oh, thank you.
Need a puck. Need a stick.
Thank you very much.
Not that puck. And yes, take it away. Not two hands.
No?
Two hands.